Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Graphionica app. You click on settings. In this list we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Graphionica app. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Graphionica app. If you find updates in this plus sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.